Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to webcam driver Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to webcam driver Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, open any Chrome browser, click on enter, click on webcam test. Here option download drivers. Easy camera. Real finder, manufacturer, choice, operating system, OS adjusters, hardware ID. After choose any easy camera. If you want to download, so click it. Here option download URL. So click it. So guys, this is very simple and easy method to welcome the Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.